Now I'm going to play another clip I recorded with Jon Monday, which is I asked him about Siri. I think I'll just play it and comment on it afterwards. If you listened to the We Not Know show previously, you'll know that Jon is very interested in sound or voice interfaces with computers, and we will be going. Chris and myself will be going to BETT in January, so this topic will keep coming back in different ways. Jon, this is early November 24.
Yeah.
What I'm interested in is what you think about Siri and what you're expecting to happen over the next couple of months, say, because there will be BETT, which Apple may or may not be at, but there will be people there who know about Apple. So can we say that Siri has got any better, or with the AI, is it expected to get any better any time soon?
The one thing I will say is it hasn't changed much since it's been out, and it really does the same as it did 5 years ago. It hasn't changed, so maybe it would be good to introduce AI into it to see if it would do anything new, or do anything new, worse, or better.
So have you looked at any other sort of voice chat sort of system? No. So you're a loyal Apple person to that extent?
At the moment, yes.
And do you think you'll have to buy a new kit to get any new update on Siri?
I am not buying new kit. I've just recently bought a new kit, as per se. So I'm not buying any new kit. They can run a mile.
Okay, right, I'm going to stop you there, sir. Yeah, I had to re-edit that last little bit. But BETT won't have a section for mobile phones, but they might have a section for voice. I think there's a special educational needs space, so voice interfaces with computers would be part of that. But it's mainstream as well. So, and Apple probably won't be there officially. I don't think they've got a stand book, but they sometimes turn up late, and there's probably various Apple fans who are going to be there. Anyway, between now and January, we'll talk about, has Siri got any better, and will you have to buy new equipment for whatever Apple releases, software or operating system? Will it work on what most people have at the moment? We'll just keep coming back to that, but I'll put a clip on YouTube around which comments might occur.